how to create Binance account in mobile. Whether or not you're on mobile or PC, the process to open up a Binance account is pretty much the same, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Binance application there. Once you launch the Binance app, it will ask you to go ahead and sign up or login at the top. So when you tap on it, now normally if you have an account, you would need to tap on the login button right here to create a login to your account. But if you want to create an account, before that you can just choose to continue with your Google account if you find that much more easier. When you select continue with Google, you'll be able to directly sync all of your Google information to Binance. Otherwise, you can enter an independent email address that you'd like to use. Tap on the next button. On the next page, it will ask you to choose to enter your password. So make sure to go ahead and then enter your password as well. And once you've entered your password, then you can just hit the next button right there. And once done, you'll be able to go ahead and verify the email and the phone number and finish creating your Binance account on mobile. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.